as you guys can see, have a completely burnt tractor. Fire again. God damn it. You remember them building this road? You are old. Good morning, everybody, and thank you for tuning in into today's video. Up here, we are eastbound, east of Dillon Road in the town of Coachella, California, the I-10 grade here east of Dillon. We, as you guys can see, have a completely burnt tractor and the trailer. The driver was able to disconnect the trailer before causing any damage to the trailer, so the trailer is completely intact. But as you guys can see, complete burn, tractor only here. We're up here with the rotator, and the plan here this morning is we are gonna be lifting this straight up in the air, backing a trailer under it, our Landau trailer, getting it out of here, getting it back to the yard, and then I'll hook up the trailer and take that back to the yard. And that's the plan. All right, so with that being said, thank you for tuning in, and let's go ahead and get to work. Let's get this tractor only up in the air. Darrell's on his way with the Landau trailer. Set it on him, get out of here. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you enjoy the show. All right, guys, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get our outriggers extended since we're gonna be working off the side here. Now that I think about it, I'm probably gonna back up a bit so that we get our boom a little bit more centered here with the load. All right, outriggers are out. Like I said, I'm gonna back up a bit. Should just be able to roll back. Yep, there we go. Kind of put ourselves right about there. Rockstar brake. I didn't mention it was 4:50 in the morning. All right, go outriggers down. Okay, going for a level platform here. Got to raise up that passenger side a bit. Okay, left and right we are level, and then front to back we have a little bit of back lean, but that's because we're downhill. Not too worried about it. We're not going around the back or anything, so should be okay there. Let's go ahead and grab our remote, turn it on. We'll go ahead and boom down to get that slack off those cables. Then I will free spool both cables. Here comes Darrell Young on scene. All right, cables should be free spool. Let's go ahead and boom up slow here. Morning. Grab a pair of gloves. So I'm getting some cable paid out here. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the cables here shortly. We have our two chain bridles stored up top for storage, and so that we don't have to use our manpower, like our actual hands, to lift these extremely heavy bridles. So that's why we leave them up here, let the cables do the hard work. Keep on booming up here. All right, so bridles are free and clear, outriggers are down. Let's go ahead and start rotating. Oh. Wow, this thing's pretty long. You can probably just grab the frame. Just wrap the frame, yeah? Huh? Behind the hanger? Yeah. Hey, Darrell. Driveline's out. Wrong way, though. Yeah, it looks like it. Ah. Ow! Front axle or what? Make sure you don't pinch any airlines. Make sure you don't pinch any airlines, okay? I'm doing it very short. Very short. If I can see. Here we go. Is that axle not coming with? Wow. I've never seen that before. I think it's because it has that 8-bag suspension.
Go and lift it up so it's not.
We just put it on separately. Or we just lift it on separately. Alright. It looks like it has these trailing arms that'll pick it up, just it's gonna take a little bit. This side's on. Huh?
Chains you put on that dolly, probably still in the corner.
Mm.
2 short cables, chain on side.
Okay. Hmm?
Still hot though, isn't it?
Fire? Fire again? Battery.
Pick that up. What's that big
Yep. Should be able to smash it out. It's probably battery. Really? I could feel it when I was walking over there. Yeah. Huh?
The fire didn't spend too much time putting it out. It just
No.
freaking hot.
I was surprised they were gone when I got here. Trying to level it out a little bit.
What bolt cutters on it?
Do I have bolt cutters? Yeah, small ones.
That's just wire on. You leave all the stuff on the ground. You leave all the stuff on the couch around.
Yeah. Just take the big stuff. No. It's right there. It's under there. Close there, small.
No, I think it's closing there.
Oh.
Some of them have a gap where it's building.
What are you gonna do?
Go down in here and come around the back side and stick it on right here.
Oh, okay. What'd you say? What'd you say?
To get up high enough to come right here, the trailer.
Okay, I'll bring it up high. Boom it up. I'll boom it up. Bring it in a little closer.
Shit, I can't see.
Okay. Come take a look. This probably will work. I don't think it's gonna get any closer.
That's good right there, Nick.
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna reach. I don't think it'll reach all the way out here. You think so? Huh? Yeah. Huh? Long what? Yeah. I think it's pretty far. I think it's pretty far. Drag the corner of the trailer around with the drag winch. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just hold that line and I'll stop you before your tires get to the pile. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, stop. Bring it back to me. Down. Woo! Shit all right.
That's all right. Just say.
Whatever you want. I'd say send it. Alright, probably grab the big shit while we're here. Just tank and seats and kind of throw it up in the tank, I guess. I got it. Yeah, I did. No, don't mess up my platform. Thing heavy? Hang on, let me just hook it into the cable. God damn it. There we go. All right, so now that we got the truck all loaded on the trailer, we're gonna go ahead and back up to this trailer, the reefer, the good reefer, and go ahead and hook it up, get it out of here. So I'm gonna have to switch over these to the taller stands because the height on this is very limited. So I'm gonna do that. We'll get it hooked up and out of here. 10 for Darrell. What?
I remember when they built this thing here.
You remember them building this road? You are old. Alrighty. Get that. Should we get that thing at angle iron? Oh, it wouldn't hurt. We can use those the little sublet irons. I mean, that's pretty high. I'll just be mindful. Can you grab the other 2 coils, please? The other 2 coils, I'm gonna bungee these over here. All right, y'all, we are all ready to go in tow. We got the trailer chain slung and the truck loaded onto the Landau, so back to the yard we go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.